my name is Lala, and now we're going to visit my garden. Let's go! In my garden, I have chili plants, eggplants, mini tomatoes, and corn. Ow! I almost fell. Now this is my corn plant. I just planted it a few days ago. So cute! And over there, I have chili plants. Wow! I found a big eggplant. Maybe you cannot see it because it's covered in big green leaves. Hi, I found you, and now I'm going to pick you. Cut, 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 cut. Ow, it's a little hard to cut. See, it's so big. Wow, it's a big purple ball, and it's also shiny. Okay, now I'll put this ball inside my basket. And now I'll go find other eggplants that's hiding. Whee! Over here, there's also eggplant, but it's still small. Because of that, I'll go pick other ones that's bigger. Cut, cut, cut. This eggplant is a different shape one. This one looks like a baseball bat. Now we have a full set of tools to play baseball. The ball and the bat. This one is a bit hard to pick. He's fighting against me. Cutting and spinning over and over. Ow! I won! And now you go inside my basket. Whee! Let's find another ball. In case the first ball gets thrown out of the field, we still have extra ball to play baseball with. There it is. I found it. Now, let's go pick it. Put down the basket and grab the scissors. Now, let's cut, cut, cut. Spin, cut, and spin. Ow! Tada! The second ball. Let's put it into our basket. Wow, my basket is full. Hooray! Ooh, look at the chili. So cute. Wow, I'm happy to have some big eggplants. There's 1, 2, and 3. Did you know my house is near a forest? Monkeys from that forest often come here to steal my eggplants, even when they're small sized. Still small, before the eggplants even get to the size, they're already stolen by monkeys. But they never touch and steal the chili because they know it's spicy. The monkeys are naughty, but they are smart. I hope the monkeys from that forest over there doesn't disturb my corn plants that are growing. And also my papaya plants. Okay then, bye-bye. Mwah! Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel. Please watch my other videos. See you later. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. Thank you. Mwah, mwah. Mwah.